So real quick, I'm going to show you how to find the fuse and relay box in a 2001 to 2007 Dodge Caravan. First go under, pull the hood release. Hood will pop. I already lifted it up for you. So the hood's up. Take that hood arm bar, put that arm up in there, holds the hood up, standing front and center, look to the right, just to the right of the battery. It'll say IPM Fuse and Relay Center. There's a tab right here, squeeze that, and there's a tab on the top right, squeeze that. And the magical thing is when you turn it over, it says what each fuse and relay goes to. So if you're having an issue with any individual thing, you can come down here, see if it's on here. And it could be as easy as, you know, one of these cheap little fuses that you need to switch and replace. If you're having an issue with a certain part, the fuses are a lot easier. You pull them up and you can see if it's burned out. If you're having an issue with a relay, it's all capped in black and you can't really tell. So if there's a relay issue, what you can do is, hey, this is the front blower relay and my front blower is not working. So I could come over here and swap it with the rear blower relay, okay? So if now my rear isn't working and my front is, I know I have a bad relay and I need to buy a new one. So that might help you fix your problem fairly quickly. When you're putting this back on, you're gonna set it back on. Make sure it gets covered up and on there appropriately. Don't force it on, and then push that left side down and then the top right. Pull up, make sure it's on there secure. And it is. Hopefully that helps you find your fuse and relay box. Well, we're in here. If you're wondering, underneath here is the air filter. So there's a couple little tabs here. You can pop those tabs off and pull this back, lift this up, and you can switch your air filter while you're under here. And don't be afraid to check your engine oil. If you don't know where your fuse and relay box is, might be a good idea. Make sure your engine's cool to check your oil while you're down here and look at your power steering reservoir to make sure you have fluid in there as well as your brake fluid.